Hey affiliates, it's Ryan Hamada, and let me ask you a question. Why do some affiliates keep growing and improving while other stall and get stuck? Well, for me, it's something I have to remind myself often. It's all about asking for help. And it's something I learned like when I was maybe very young, because my parents they didn't had an education, but they were committed that we succeed at school. So when we were stuck with our homework, what they would do is they would let their ego on the side, and they would go and knock to the doors of the neighbor and ask them kindly if they could help us finish our homework. And it's not always easy to ask for help, but it's so vital that you just accept the fact that you are stuck, and if you are stuck, you can't stay stuck for too long. So there's a point where, a moment when you have to just go and ask for help. Now, when you ask for help, you have to do it efficiently, and remember three things when it comes to ask for help. First thing is, be specific. Think hard about what it is exactly I'm trying to achieve here, and what is it where I am stuck exactly, and pinpoint the area or the lack that you have, and focus only on that. Then think large about anyone or any resource that could help you to find that answer and or fill that gap. So it could be asking around you, someone that you know who solved that problem, going on Facebook, going on forums, watching YouTube video. Think large. Think about all the people and resources that you have around you to ask for help, and ask. And finally, when you ask for help and you get the answer, be grateful, thank the person, and get back to work. You shouldn't ask for more help and ask more questions. Just should be a 20-80% thing, where 20% of the time you ask for help, and 80% of the time you get to work and try to figure out things on yourself.